Hey there, welcome back to CAD. Today, I want to walk you through some classic CAD mistakes that can seriously mess up your mechanical drawings. If you're just starting out, or even if you think you've got it nailed, trust me, these are errors you want to avoid. Let's kick things off with the big one, missing or incorrect dimensions. I see this all the time. You might think if your part looks close enough, it'll work out. But manufacturing isn't about guessing. Every feature, hole, length, groove needs clear, exact numbers. Miss a dimension, and you could stop production dead in its tracks. So, always double-check your drawings against your design intent. Make sure nothing is left to interpretation. Next up, skipping tolerances. Writing 10mm looks fine, but what does that really mean? Is it exactly 10, or can it be anything close? Without tolerances, your parts might not fit together, or worse, fail when assembled. So, slap on those limits and fits, whether it's H7 or plus minus, so everyone's on the same page. Here's another one, over-dimensioning. More isn't always better. Adding the same dimension in 6 different places just clutters up your drawing and confuses whoever's reading it. Clean drawings are king. Dimension every feature once and always from a logical starting point, like a functional datum. Now, let's talk about standard practices. I know, sometimes you're in a rush and you just want to get the drawing out, but wrong line types, weird hatch patterns, or missing title blocks can make your work look amateur, or even get it rejected by quality control. Stick to standards like ISO, ASME, or whatever your company uses. It pays off. Ever seen a tiny part lost on a giant sheet, or views piled on top of each other? That's what happens with poor scale and view placement. Your drawing needs to make sense at a glance. Stick to logical scales and arrange your views. Front, top, side, whatever helps tell the story of your part. Another easy one to overlook, surface finish and process symbols. Think about it. How smooth does this piece need to be? Does it need welding or heat treatment? If you don't put that info in, whoever's making your part might just skip it. Always add those details if they matter for your design. And then there's layer management in CAD. If you're throwing everything onto one layer, dimensions, center lines, outlines, you're asking for trouble. Good layer management makes your work readable and professional. Use colors, line weights, and proper naming to keep things sorted. Last but definitely not least, revision control. If you update a design but forget to change the revision, the shop might make the wrong version. Keep your revision blocks up to date and always check before sending a drawing to the floor. That's my list. Avoid these mistakes and your drawings won't just look better. They'll save time, money, and headaches down the line. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe for more mechanical engineering tips. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time.